Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and thank you for coming tonight. It's a great opportunity na makasama ko po ngayong gabi kasi this is actually a highlight for us to set up ourselves as first-time producer to produce the show. First song that I'll be singing is called Sana Minsan. Sung by Jamie Rivera. Hindi po siya masyadong nakilala, but actually when I was in high school, ito yung mga songs na kinakanta ko at lahat ng mga album niya binibili ko. Because she's not just a singer, but she's also a songwriter. So this is Sana Minsan, and it was arranged by Jimmy Antiporta. that I'll be singing is one of the classic hits from... There's an original song from the 70s. And then, ni-revive po siya ni Lea Salonga. And it's called Bakit Labis Kitang Mahal. Yeah, it's from The Boyfriends. Usually, it's always like karaoke, minus one or accompaniment, or the usual accompaniment. So, I'm enjoying with the band. Thank you so much for our musicians for tonight. From Kuya Mark Arion, Badomski, and Mr. Javier, and Kuya Alec. So the last song that I'll be performing is another song which was written by Mr. Ogie Alcacid. Alam niyo si Mr. Ogie Alcacid, very impressive yung mga compositions niya. I grew up with his music. So, Kundirana member siya. And nakakatuwa po yung mga songs niya. Pag siya yung kumanta, parang nag-hit naman. Pero kapag si Regina yung kumanta, ay, triple hit. Parang 4 na beses pa siyang hit. So, kaya na po yung love story nila. It's because of a composer and a songwriter. A songwriter, composer, and a singer. So, let's listen to this song. It's called Nandito Ako. I'm just here, no matter what. concert po kami, magpapatuloy po ang production namin. So these are the people, these are men and women na pinili po natin para maging highlights sa gabing ito. And at this time around, tawagin po natin lahat ng mga cast para po sa ating finale song. So, from Jane, Provido, Cams Velasco, Christian Ilagan, Christian Baltasar.
We're gonna do our group song, and then we will have a party after this 2 songs. I hope that you are all doing great tonight. Kanina ba ito sa lamin na to? So, tingnan mo na yan. Ang pogi ni Christian, oh.
Jeremy, sino pa pala?
Thank you again for coming.
For our starting family, maraming salamat for coming over.
Yes. And thank you to my new friends over there. Hello!
Maraming pong salamat sa inyo.
Lolet and company, to Ate Delma, to Wendy Lindo. We have a show.
Thank you so
By
much.
the way, we have a show on October 20.
Thank you po for coming.
Thank you daw. We have a show on October 20 at the CUNY venue, the fabulously concert. So that's Wendy Lindo show, October 20. We have tickets. So yun lang.
Andy's here also.
Yeah, Sunday yan. So if you guys are available, punta na kayo doon.
Miss Janice Javier, thank you for coming.
Janice, yes, thank you.
DJ
Lance,
Ruby, thank you.
Adele, of course, Adele Lim, the beautiful.
DJ R, thank you. Ate Mary Ann of Caviteña.
Yes, Caviteña. Miss Erica of C Salon.
Paige,
Miranda is here.
Maricard of 4700
April is here. Thank you so much for coming.
Karen Minfield.
Siyempre,
Here,
thank you to
Castro, thank you. To
Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude.
To Erica, of course, of C.
Checked.
And again, thank you to all of our sponsors. Yun.
C Salon.
Salamat.
Thank you so much for coming.
C3 Real Estate. Thank you so much.
Of course, to my BFF, Elaine Robertson, all the way from Boston, Massachusetts.
Thank you, Elaine.
Yes, no. I'm encouraging her to transfer here. So,
Thank you, Michael Jerolan and Karen Mempin and group.
to Mama April Velasco.
Oh yes, Ate
I love
April.
ya. Thank you. To Robin and
Javier also, Javier.
Thank you, Javier.
Salamat.
Javier, yes. Thank you to Ate Rose, Lucier, and company.
Yes, Ate
Thank
Rose.
you, Miss Rose.
And
To
also
Ate Kim.
Thank you to the Casas
Ate
family,
Tati.
Craig.
Sorry.
And to Mr.
Brother.
Butch Carino. Yeah.
Thank you.
Salamat. Salamat
Supportan po
po.
natin ng mga
Our
artists natin.
sponsor tonight.
Ayan po sila.
Our sponsors. Sponsors. Sino ba yung sponsors natin, Christian? Go ahead.
C3 Real Estate.
C3 Real Estate.
Palakpakan po natin, mga kaibigan.
Palakpakan po natin.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, they're here.
Yeah, without these
Support
sponsors,
us.
the
Thank
show
you
is
so
not
much.
possible. So, thank you so much.
And who
Sino ba?
else? Imogen.
Miss Marian of Caviteña. Marian Legaspi of Caviteña. Thank you.
All right, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Saka si JR. Ang wisdom water.
Guys, if you still want crinkles, I think
he's
meron pa.
here. Oh, it's nice
It's really
to
good.
meet you.
Can we call on, before we sing this song, can we call on Mr. Janu Villanueva on stage?
Janu Villanueva, come on stage. Yeah. We just wanna pay tribute to his song.
So, kay ganda ng ating musika is basically composed by Ryan Cayabyab. Tuloy pa rin ako is composed by Mr. Janu Villanueva.
Composed tuloy pa rin ako
Tuloy pa rin ako. So kung narinig niyo yung side A na
by
song,
side A.
It's
He's the
Janu
composer.
Villanueva's composition. Okay, Janu, thank you.
Yeah, it's an honor that they match up my song with Mr. and Gab's song.
Mr. C.
I'm humble. Salamat ng marami.
Let's join ka.
Sir, you deserve all the acknowledgement and all the honor. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's go.
Pagmula nung ako'y natutong bumawi, naging makulay ang aking munting daigdig. Tila ilog pala ang pag-ibig, kung malalim damdaming pag-ibig, kung umapaw ang kaluluwa at tinig, ay sadya ng nanginginig. Pagmula nung ako'y natutong bumawi, bawat sandali aking pilit mapatid. Ang ibig niya ay tunay, mapupuri pagkatunay. Di marami ang ibang masabi, ewan na iyong tingin. Ay ganda ng ating musika, ay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay ating sariling langit, at sa habang buhay, awitin natin. Ay ganda ng ating musika, ay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay ating sariling langit.
Magmula nung ako'y natutong bumawi, nararamdaman ko muli ang aking paligid. Ngayong batid ko na umiibig, sa sariling tugtugin o hilig, sa isang makatay marinig, makatingin, nagsasabi. Kay ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay ating sariling langit, at sa habang buhay, awitin natin. Kay ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay ating sariling
Ladies and gentlemen, the band tonight, starting off with our drummer, Lele. Woo! The drummer, Alex.
And at bass, we have Dexter.
Tabi-tabi kayo dyan, ang poging Dexter.
Dexter.
Come on. The guitarist, ladies and gentlemen, Badong Ski. Ayaw niyo na talaga matutuloy si Badong, ha? Alright, so let's call on the composer of this song.
Teka, pakilala mo muna yung keyboardista.
Ayun na nga eh. Mamaya na sana.
Ah, okay, sige. Talagang
Na-postpone kasi
Special
hindi
announcement.
to. So, alright, our keyboardist for tonight,
Si
Mr. Mark Carrion.
Palakpakan natin.
He's so good, ladies and gentlemen. And our, again, the guitarist, the poging-poging, Badong
Badong.
Salvador.
Ski ba na?
Woo! continue with our next song. And we would like to call on the composer of this song.
Alright.
Nasa ka na ba, Kuya Janu?
Kuya Janu.
Janu Villanueva!
Akala ko
Yes, all the way from Texas, Houston!
Janu Villanueva.
Parang boxing eh, di ba? Joke lang. Halika na dito sa stage. Papakantahin ka namin. Charot. De, joke lang. Okay, let's do this song.
Alright, kantahin na natin ito.
I thought you're gonna play this song. This is your song. Alright. Game na game siya, oh.
Palakpakan muna natin. Janu.
Janu Villanueva. Yan. Yan ang mga gusto namin dito sa Kusina Filipina. May mga jammers kami. At talagang sila yung nag-compose ng kanta, di ba? Let's do this.
I'm not worthy, so si Kuya Jan lang.
Badong papaluin kita sa go. Okay.
Alright, sabayin niyo muna kami.
Siyempre gusto namin nakatayo kayo.
Yeah.
Ayun o,
Para
para
mas
masaya,
masaya.
di ba?
Tayo mo tayo.
Tayo tayo kahit slide lang.
And I want you all to sing. Kasi I'm sure alam niyo to.
Of course.
All rise, folks. Magsitayo po tayo na. Yan.
Okay, sabay-sabay po tayo. Ha? Sabay-sabay po tayo.
very short message with regards to his song, Tuloy Pa Rin Ako.
Tuloy pa rin ako.
So the first question that we need to ask for Kuya Janu
Igigisa natin
is,
si Janu Villanueva.
na natin siya. Ano yung first question natin, Monsi, that you want to ask? So ito ba yan, bigyan po namin kayo ng...
Sorry. Can we give the mic to
It's been
Janu
years
Villanueva?
na kami po ay magkakilala ni Kuya Janu sa UP College of Music. So, pagkatapos ko mag-class, nandun na siya nakaupo. Etong scene na to, ganyan. Lagi niya nakaupo, nag-guitar, nagpa-practice, o kaya minsan may estudyante lang siya outside the room. Diba, Kuya? So, nung finally nagkaalaman kami na nandun siya sa Texas, andito ako, sabi ko, Kuya, kailan ka pupunta ng California? Kasi a lot of people already has been asking, or has been singing your song. Tuloy pa rin ako. So lahat ng mga bands na napapanood ko, tuloy pa rin ako yung kinakanta. Sabi ko, kailan mo punta dito? Punta ka dito, papakilala kita dun sa mga artists dito. Ang dami nila. Tapos sabi niya, wala pa akong parang nag-aalaga pa ako ng mga anak niya. Siguro na po 7 years ago, 8 years ago po yan. It's been a long time. So mga ganong years, no? Tapos sabi niya, sige, sabi ko, let's pray about it. Sabi ko, kung talagang kalooban ng Lord makarating ka dito, gagawa siya ng way. And lo and behold, nandito na po siya. Si Mr. Janu Villanueva. Siya po yung naging inspirasyon ng lahat for that tuloy pa rin ako na composition. Pero my question is, Kuya, ano yung naging inspirasyon mo? Ano yung message ng song na to at naging patok siya sa public? Nung una, narinig ko to kay Kuya Randy Santiago.
Yeah.
Kinanta niya. And then, mas sumikat siya nung kinanta na ng Side A band. So listen po pakinggan niyo yung message niya. Ano yung naging inspirasyon ni Kuya Janu for the song in particular? What is the song all about?
Well, I'm sure all of us have experiences. Kung sa akin nangyari, maybe there were a couple of times that have bad experiences with about love. Like, I wanted a day, but alas 8 nga, pinag-usapan natin, hindi ka naman dumating, diba? Ganun. Pero, tuloy lang, yung...
Saan ba yung setting niya? Sa UP ba?
Then,
Iba?
ano ba, high school pa siguro, ganun. Ako yung... I don't wanna take myself down with the thought na I was stood up, ganun. So, tuloy lang. You don't have to stay in that place, Just have to move on.
So ang bottom
Move on,
line,
diba?
kahit ano mang pangyayari sa buhay, tuloy pa rin tayo.
Tuloy pa rin.
Kahit ano man. So it's a positive po yung message ng song. Kaya patuloy po nating supportahan si Kuya Janu. We're actually trying to find a way na makapunta po siya dito finally kasi Texas-based siya. Pero malalaki na po yung mga anak niya and let's pray about it, Kuya. In a few years' time. Hopefully we could collab with your songs. So,
Appreciate it.
Mr. Janu Villanueva, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so
All the
much, Kuya
respect
Janu.
For you people.
Napaka-humble no? Parang hindi ka sasalita. So, everybody's invited on stage para lang ma-acknowledge siya or makamayan niyo siya if you want. So,
Okay na tayo.
okay na tayo. O gusto mo pang kantahin yung song mo with your version?
Version with it. Are you still honestly?